The Band 9 Active looks a familiar design. Xiaomi is introducing more affordable Smart Band 9 Active variant. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Xiaomi Band 9 Active step is much better integrated with the 1.47 inches display and comfort improved. The most considerable development would appear to be in the battery life department. The Band 9 Active is going to last up to 18 days on one charge, where the Band 8 stood at 14 days of battery life, while retaining the screen size at 1.47 inches. This really upgrades its usability for those who need longer performance between change, and also has Bluetooth. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active will arrive in the first wave in the black, white and pink. Xiaomi can produce more color variants within the nearest future, as has been done with the previous models, as is commonly practiced. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.